Hello, good afternoon, everyone. We are taking the subject BEC 10103. Today, we are going to talk about Asia versus KFC. My name is Sharvin, and this is,
My name is Muhammad Akmal.
My name is Muhammad Dinesh.
and we will start our
So we'll start the
presentation.
presentation.
Next.
I will start for the introduction for AirAsia and KFC. AirAsia in Malaysian low-cost airline that was found in 2001 and is held in Kuala Lumpur. The airline was transformed into a successful company by Tony Fernandez, who introduced the concept of effectability at travel in South Asia. Before Asia became successful, air travel was considered expensive and mainly used by higher income groups. Asia changed the station by offering low ticket price, allowing more people travel travel by air. The company operates both domestic and international flights, connecting passengers to more than 165 destinations across over 25 countries. Air Asia famous slogan "New Everyone Can Fly" represents in its mission to make flying effectable, consistent, and accessibility to everyone. The airline focused on budget-friendly service by reducing operational operational costs while still maintaining efficiency and customer satisfaction. Next, moving to KFC, which stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken, is one of the large fast food restaurants here in the world. The company was founded by Colonel Harlan Sanders in 1952 in the United States. Colonel Stein became famous for his unique fried chicken recipe, which used a secret blend of 11 herbal and spices. The recipe became an identity and competitive advantage of KFC worldwide. KFC is specialist mainly in fried chicken products, including original ribs chicken, hot and spicy chicken, burger and wraps, fried fries, rice meal, and dessert and beverage. Today, KFC operates in more than 150 countries with thousands of outlets. The company's global success is driven by considered food quality, strong branding, and customer satisfaction. Moving to next slide. Next slide is objective for Asia. The Asia main objective is to provide effective air travel for everyone. The company believes that flying should not only for well people, but should also the accessibility in ordinary citizens, students, workers, and families. This idea is reflected in state famous slogan, "New everyone can fly." Through low ticket price and efficiency operation, Asia aims to connect people across different countries and regions at a lower cost. One of Asia's important objective is to become the lead low-cost airline in the world. To achieve this goal, the company continuously expand its flight routes to more destinations and countries. By increasing the number of routes and flights, Asia can attract more passengers and strengthen its position in the airline industry. For the KFC, for the objective KFC is to provide high quality, delicious, and reliable food and satisfaction customer experiences. The company wants consumers to enjoy tasty meal while receiving fast and friendly service. KFC understands that customer satisfaction is essentially for business success, so it continuously improves its product and services. One important objective of KFC is to remain a market leader in the fast food industry. To achieve this, the company focused on strong building, consistent food quality, efficient customer service, equitable promotion. KFC also aims to provide enjoyable dining experience for customers. The company increased that its restaurants are clean, comfortable, and family friendly. Employees are trained to provide fast, quality, and professional service to customers feel satisfied when dining at KFC outlet. That's all for me. Moving to the next presentation.
Next, I will explain the background of the two firms we selected, which are AirAsia and KFC. First, AirAsia is a Malaysian low-cost airline established in 1993. The company's main objective is to provide affordable flights so that more people can travel easily. The slogan, "Now everyone can fly," reflects this mission. AirAsia operates both domestic and international routes across Asia and focuses on reducing costs through online bookings, cheaper services, and efficient aircraft usage. Because of these strategies, AirAsia is able to offer cheaper ticket prices compared to many competitors. On the other hand, KFC is a global fast food company that was founded in the United States by Colonel Harlan Sanders in 1952. KFC entered Malaysia in 1973 and has become one of the most popular fast food brands in the country. The company is well known for its fried chicken and menu items such as original recipe chicken and Dinger burger. KFC also provides dine-in, takeaway, and delivery services to meet customer convenience and satisfaction. Okay, for the next slide, we will discuss the type of market structure for AirAsia and KFC. First, AirAsia operates in oligopoly market structure. This means there are only a few major firms dominating the airline industry in Malaysia, such as Malaysia Airlines, Batik Air, and Firefly. In this market, companies are highly interdependent, meaning the decision made by one airline can affect the others. The industry also has a high barriers to entry because starting an airline requires large capital investment, government approval, and operational expertise. AirAsia is one of the leading firms in the low-cost airline segment. Meanwhile, KFC operates in a monopolistic competition market. In this market structure, there are many sellers offering similar products, but each company tries to differentiate itself through branding, promotion, venue variety, and service quality. KFC competes with both international and local fast food brands. Consumer has many choices, so a company must continuously innovate and maintain good customer service to attract customers. Thank you.
My part, I will be explaining the type of product for AirAsia. So as we can see here, Asia, they mostly provide air transportation service, which are intangible and non-physical. The products are classified as a differentiated service, not a homogeneous product. They likely to be using low-cost carrier known as LCC business models to differentiate itself. The key differentiation factors include flight frequency on popular routes, wide regional network across agents, strong digital ecosystems, for example, used in online booking, mobile apps, and self-service. This applies modular pricing where customers pay only for selected add-on like baggage, meals, seat selections, or book-in meals. And they also operate in an oligopolistic market, competing mainly through price efficiency and brand image. Now, I'll be explaining the type of product for KFC. For KFC, they offer physical and perishable fast food products, mainly fried chicken wings. It's globally known for their two variant chicken, hot and spicy or original. Now, the products are classified as different consumer goods. So, the difference is based on uniqueness and original recipe, which they have a special recipe where no one could know. And it is also considered strong global branding and consistency. For Malaysia, the products are adapted to local preference for such as halal certificate food. Since Malaysia is a Muslim country, they need to be qualified halal. And there are other side meals instead of chicken. They have rice meals and spicy flavors. For example, you can choose the variant for the rice. Let's say if you want it less spicy or less salty, you can request that. Same goes like to the chicken. And there's also seasonal promotions. For example, if seasonal promotions, for example, Hari Raya, they would do the set for nasi lemak, probably, or maybe like rendang and rice and chicken set. And also, these products are similar but not identical to competitors. It operates under monopolistic competition using branding, advertising, and promotion as key strategies. Here we have the condition of entry for Asia. So high barriers to entry oligopoly. Very high capital requirements are such like aircraft purchase, earnings and maintenance, air contracts, pilot and crew trainings, obviously, and advanced IT and operating systems. So here are several strict regulations. For example, the license from CAAM and international safety and security standards, limited airport slots and landing nights. And third, there's strong economics of scale, large fleet and high passenger volume, lower average cost per flight, also strong brand reputation. Of course, there is high consumer trust and safety perception, so people won't have to feel without doubt. And new airlines face psychological barriers. This results in few large online competing in the market. Next is the condition of entry capsule level. So here they have to low to they have low to moderate barriers to entry as if monopolistic competition. Lower startup capital, like a small scale, kitchen equipment and raw materials, small workforce, and also regulation are manageable. For example, like food safety and halal. This guarantees cleanness and the goodness for their company. And lastly, and thirdly, it's difficult to match the FC scale because they have a quite strong franchising system, and it is real efficient to supply chain and nationwide outlets, and also economics scale, which shows that they are economically wide and known for bulk purchasing lower costs, also standardized operations and marketing. And fourth, they have a strong brand loyalty and prime locations. New entrants struggle to gain market share, and the entry is quite possible, but it's also a long-term success is challenging.
Okay, so for my part, we'll be talking about control over price. For Asia, the price control in oligopoly. There are three. So for the first one, Asia operates in a few player airline market. Prices are influenced by competitors. Limited price control, raising or lowering fares affects market dynamics. And lastly, Asia uses low cost model, dynamic pricing, and add-on services to maintain competitive fares. So for KFC, the price control in monopolistic competition. For KFC, there's four. KFC is a major player in Malaysia's fast food market, especially for fried chicken. Sets prices independently for its signature dishes due to strong brand loyalty. And they face limited direct competition for its specialized offerings, unlike firms in oligopoly. Lastly, KFC conducts promotion and pricing experiments to attract more customers, but base prices are controlled by KFC. Next. Next is the price elasticity of demand. For the first one, which is Asia, Asia operates in an oligopolistic market with many substitutes, making demand elastic, as you can see in the diagram there. And consumers are highly price sensitive. Yeah, here, the elastic demand of for Asia. And second is consumers are highly price sensitive and can easily compare fares online. Small price increases may lead to significant drops in demand as passengers switch to competitors. Interdependence among airlines requires Asia to consider competitors' pricing when setting fares. So next, for KFC, KFC's signature product face very few close substitutes, creating a monopoly-like situation. Demand for these products is relatively inelastic, so sometimes it went down. Consumers remain loyal and are less sensitive to price increases. Even if prices rise, most customers continue purchasing due to the brand preference and unique offerings. Okay, next. For the conclusion, Asia and KFC operates in different market structures, shaping their strategies. And Asia, in an oligopoly, faces few competitors, high entry barriers, and price-sensitive consumers, using low-cost fares and digital services to stay competitive. For KFC, in monopolistic competition, leverages unique recipes, brand loyalty, and menu localization to maintain pricing power and inelastic demand. Both cases show how market structure influences pricing, differentiation, and strategic decision. And that's all from me. Thank you. And that is all from our presentation. Thank you very much.